Hey there, Sims. Welcome to our construction site. We are here at our lovely home, and yes, she's in her construction era. You can kind of see some of that going on here. There's Croissant. Very demure, very mindful, but we're ready to give you an update tour. Let's get to it. We're going to walk into the living room, or like the Riz room. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Salon in France. In progress, right? Honestly, it's right now it's giving dust potential. Oh, wait. I mean, look at this old aesthetic. So demure, so raw. She's serving pure renovation vibes. You see all this? It's called Vision, babes. We're eating this up. Let's move over to the kitchen. All right, POV, peeps. No stove, no counters, just pure mindful chaos. Like I'm giving off microwave dinner's energy. Yeah, no. But no worries. This is all character development for us and our instant noodles. Let's head up to the bedroom. And here's the master bedroom. It's giving off future Rizone, you know. Very airy, very zen. Who needs a bed frame anyway? Sleeping on the floor, for that grounded energy. Oh, And this is where my future glow up's supposed to happen, like right in this area. Okay, but right now it's kind of giving that budget spa, minimal riz, very demure. All right, my Sims, that is a tour of our work in progress palace. Don't get sus just yet. See you when the riz level hits maximum. Stay tuned so I can spill the tea next time. Until then, it's just us and the dust and a whole lot of potential. Oh, gotcha. Playing with my gimbal. Yeah, us and the dust. All right, Sims. Welcome to our humble construction site. House. Yes, she's in her construction era, you can see and hear. And we're going to get you on a on a tour. It's very mindful, very demure. Let's get a look. And I look a bit crazy. Yeah. I'm a little dusty, a little dirty, very modest, very demure, very humble. Ciao.